How to fix Windows display black screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if your Windows wallpaper is not showing or if it's just a black screen. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your control panel and then simply head over to Ease of Access Center. Click on it. Now, once you have done that, you are going to click on Make the computer easier to see and Optimize visual display. And after that is done, you just scroll down a bit until you find this option, Remove Background Images where available. Just check this off, click on Apply, and then click on OK. Now your background image should come back. This is the first method. The second method is to actually right-click on your desktop and then click on Personalize. You will be directly taken to your personalization. Now click on Background and make sure that it is selected to slideshow or picture. Now you can select any image you want from here and then it will be changed to that. So once you have done that, the third method is to actually right-click on your Windows icon and then from here open up your Task Manager. Now once your Task Manager is open, you are just going to scroll down all the way until you find the Windows Explorer. Select this and click on Restart Task. And once you do that, your task will be restarted and your laptop will be refreshed once and your background should come around. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.